If you want to perform a hard reset on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to perform a hard reset, first of all, just power off your tablet. For that, just open the quick settings on your tablet, then tap on the power icon. And from here, just select power off. And once your tablet is completely powered off, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now, as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button. From here, just select Wipe Data Factory Reset, then press the power button to confirm your action. Press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset, and press the power button to confirm your action. Now after you complete the hard reset process, then just press the power button to reboot your tablet. And as you can see, this is how you can do a hard reset on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.